In this section, we will talk about terminologies of Tkinter. In order to create an application on Tkinter, you should know these terminologies. So window is a rectangular section somewhere on the user display. Anything that you are seeing, it's called a window. Top level window is a child primary window. Suppose you have clicked on any button and another window appeared. That is called a top level window. Then widgets. So widgets, everything that allows you to interact with this interface are the widgets. We will discuss more about the widgets. So widgets are further divided into three parts: fundamental widgets, prompt widgets, and TTK widgets. So let's talk about the fundamental widgets. Fundamental widgets are important and no application can be created without their use. Fundamental widgets are further divided into four parts: containers, buttons, text, and tree. Containers provide frame, label frame, top label, paint window. So basically these are the widgets that hold other widgets on them. Buttons are those widgets which are meant to perform an action when clicked. Text are those which display a message on the window. Entry widgets are used to take a user input. Second type of widgets are prompt widgets. These include message box, file dialog, and color chooser. So if you want to display any information, confirmation, warning, errors, all kinds of prompts are displayed under message box. On clicking on the very top left corner of the screen, you see a file option. So that dialog box can be displayed using this. Color chooser allows you to select a color for any text or anything that you. Then we have TTK widgets, which is a new widget, which is a new member to the family. So it offers combo box, progress bar, tree view, notebook, separator, size grip. So basically all these widgets are improving the user experience and they are letting the user know what is actually happening, and they are helping in displaying the data in a better way. We will discuss about all of these widgets in future sections. With this, we have covered terminologies of Tkinter. In the next section, we will write our first Tkinter program.